On behalf of Team Success Gyan and the entire jury, big congratulations for making to Super 2000 Round 2 of Super Speaker Season 3. Season 3 has been massive with lakhs of registration, amazing videos. Your video on success truly stood out. Super Speaker is a reality show to find the best speaker in the country. Season 3 is very special because the top 100, each one of them are going to get 1 lakh worth of scholarship from Success Gyan. Runner-up will get a 5 lakh cash prize. The winner will get a 10 lakh cash prize and the title of Super Speaker. Once again, big congratulations for making to Super 2000 and best wishes for the journey ahead. This is Surendra Jaishekhar signing off. Love yourself and always keep inspiring.
Hi friends, ladies and gentlemen, here is Master Aloysius Papang and I am happy to tell you that today the 1st of August 2023 had just been another super excited and joyful day for me to celebrate. Indeed, my friend, I was completely in an all cloud nine moods when I got the result that I have been able to make myself to the second round of Super Speaker Season 3 and be on the list of top 2000 smart and intelligent super Indian speakers. That turns part of my dreams of becoming India's Super Speaker closer to reality. Of course, the entire journey of round 1 of Super Speaker Season 3 is quite interesting, challenging, and the competition is found to be very tough, especially when each speaker have to compete shoulder to shoulder with lakhs of other super speaker from across the country. And yes, everything seems to be quite uncertain to make it through. Thank you Team Success Gyan and the jury members for believing the best in my own success story and for considering my video on my definition of success truly meaningful, impressive, remarkable, and highly motivated. Many of you might not be knowing or having any idea of what is Super Speaker all about. Super Speaker is India's first ever reality show to find the best speaker in the whole country of India. It is organized by Success Gyan. It truly doesn't matter who you are, but as long as you have the passion and the drive to inspire and impact people with your voice, your success story, this show is gonna be yours, and it is a common ground or a platform that is carefully curated to identify and honor the best speaker in the entire country. We always believe that India has immense potential, and Team Success Gyan proud to continue the tradition of discovering the hidden gems. If you have a message worth sharing, we want to give, because Success Gyan is wanted to give you the opportunity to influence countless others. Super Speaker is a fabulous opportunity for you to use your voice to inspire your community. The world needs more trainers and speakers who can create an impact, and all the rounds are designed in a way that you use your voice and stories to inspire, impact, and influence people. You are going to be a part of an empowering, like-minded community with Success Gyan, and this is all about going out there and creating a massive impact. And this community will have people from all walks of life. As you know, your environment is greater than your willpower, and being in the right environment is the key to becoming better and achieving anything. So there will be a lot of learning, sharing, and collaborating in the journey of competing. So the winner get this massive opportunity of speaking alongside with the international speaker of Success Gyan in the Success Gyan platform. So the winner gets a cash prize of 10 lakhs and the top 10 get access to world-class courses worth rupees 35 lakhs. Thank you.